What is geofencing advertising? Geofencing advertising is a form of targeted advertising that delivers a message based on the device's location. It is a very efficient approach to contact potential clients in their immediate vicinity without requiring them to take any action. This has been proven to be more effective than other types of mobile marketing campaigns because it targets consumers based on their actual location and can be updated in real time as they travel. You may ask yourself, how in the world is this done? GPS technology is used to establish a virtual fence, or geofence, hence geofencing, around a specific site, such as a building or a school campus. It then sends messages regarding items or services in the vicinity of those areas. How geofencing helps marketers and business owners? Geofencing is a method of sending communications to clients who are in a certain geographic region. Geofences are virtual barriers that may be built up around locations such as businesses, factories, and event sites. Marketers will utilize this to target individual consumers with messaging about the store or business. Depending on the business and consumer strategy, it is utilized for a variety of objectives. Geofencing, for example, may be used to notify consumers that pass by a business unique bargains and offers that are only available at the store. Marketers may also utilize it to get client feedback through surveys and polls. In conclusion, geofence marketing is a potent strategy that should not be overlooked. It is a low-cost marketing medium that reaches consumers near your actual site. Give us a call to discuss setting up your next marketing campaign.